Hey guys, today we are on Module 12, Lesson 6, Solve Multi-Step Money Problems. The objective today is solve multi-step money problems using bills and coins, visual models, or cents. I can represent money amounts as fractions, mixed numbers, and decimals. So we're going to look at it as bills, which would be dollars, so $1 bill, $5 bill, $10 bill. Coins, this would think of coins as 25 cents, 10 cents, a nickel, and a dime. So when we see cents, we think of how much it would be if it was in coins. So when I think of cents, I like to think of pennies. So we're going to turn everything, when it says cents, we're going to convert it to pennies, okay? So number one, step it out. Donna, Marie, and Mateo sell 5 cups of lemonade for 75 cents. Selling 5 cups of lemonade for 75 cents each. They share the money equally among themselves. So you have Donna, Marie, Mateo. That's 3 people. So that's 3 people. So we're going to split the money 3 ways. How much money does each receive? Show the money the children earn. Well, if I've got 75 cents, so if 1 cup is 75 cents and I split that up 3 ways, that's 25 cents each, right? So let's say Donna, Marie, M-A, Marie, and Mateo. So we'll do Donna, Marie, Mateo. So we're going to split it 3 ways. Well, if we sell 1 cup of lemonade, that's 75 cents, but we can split 75 cents up into 3/4. And to me, it's a whole lot easier to add 3/4. So for 1 cup, they're going to get 25 cents, right? So 25 for you, 25, 25. So that's 1 cup. That's 1 cup. So 2 cups, that's another 1/4 for each one. So 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents. 3 cups, 25, 25, 25. The 4th cup, they each get 1/4 from that sale. So 25 for you, 25, 25, and they sold 5 cups. So again, 1/4 for each person. So if we take and add it up, so we had 75 cents times 5, we could solve the total amount in quarters. We can figure that out, but we want to figure out how much each one of them receives. So Don's going to receive this amount right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quarters. So remember, 4 quarters makes $1, so it's $1.25. So they each make $1.25. So use a drawing to find out how much each child earns. Give your answers a number of cents. So it's written as $1.25. So if we think of it as cents, it's 125 cents. Okay, if we had 5 quarters, that's 125 cents. Write the amount each child earns as a fraction of $1 and as a decimal of $1. So if we have 125 cents, that's 125 over 100, or we can write 1 and 25 hundredths. So that's my fraction, 125 over 100, or 1 and 25 hundredths, and the decimal point would be 1.25. So anytime we write the decimal point, that's like writing the dollar amount, okay? So if they ask us to write cents, we don't put a decimal. So cents, no decimal. When they tell us to write a decimal, that's like writing it in the dollar format. Okay? So on the next page, so Maggie buys 2 pounds of lemon. Let me shrink it up. So 1 pound is $1.24. So Maggie buys 2 pounds of lemons. Maggie has $5 to spend. How much money does she have after she buys the lemons? Well, A says write the amount that 1 pound of lemons cost in cents. So we're gonna write $1.24 in cents. Remember, no decimal. Cents means no decimal. So $1.24 would be 124 cents, or like 124 pennies. B says use the price of 1 pound in cents to find the cost of 2 pounds. So we're going to say 2 times 124. So 2 times 124, and I can double each one of these numbers. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So it's 248 cents. Let me do that again. So what I said was 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So it's 248 cents. Okay? So write the amount that Maggie has to spend in cents. She has $5. She had $5. So in cents, no decimal, she would have 500 cents. So we're taking away the decimal at this point. What operation do you use to find out how much money Maggie has after buying 2 pounds of lemon? So she's going to spend 248 cents. She has 500 cents. So we want to use subtraction. We're going to subtract out the 248 from 500. We're going to subtract. All right, how much money does Maggie have left in cents? So we're going to say 500 cents. Subtract 248 cents. I'm going to come over here so I can show my work. 500 subtract 248, because we're going to have to do some regrouping. And if you're ahead of me, that's fine. So we're going to borrow from the 5. It becomes a 4. This becomes a 10, but then it becomes a 9. And the last number in the ones place becomes a 10. So 10 subtract 8 is 2. 9 subtract 4 is 5. 5 was regrouped with 4, so 4 subtract 2 is 2. So we have 252 cents left. What amount does Maggie have left as a decimal dollar amount? So we're going to take 252 cents, change it to a decimal, $2.52 as a decimal dollar amount, 252. So whenever it says cents, I like to think of it as pennies. So if I had $2.52, so $2.52, but I converted it all to pennies, I would have 252 pennies. Okay, so that's how I would think of that. At the bottom, we have a multi-step problem. So look at the question number 1 at the bottom. It is 2 steps, so you're going to use 2 operations to solve this. So go ahead and solve it, pause the video, and start it back to check it. Okay, so you should have done number 1. Jillian and Sammy, that's 2 people. So we have 1 person, 2 people. Jillian and Sammy sell 3 pillows for $3.20 each. Then they share the money equally. So they're going to share the money, they're going to divide by 2. Okay? How much money does each girl get? So if they're going to sell 3 pillows for $3.20, the first step is to multiply. So this one is 3 times 320, that's step 1, we're going to multiply. Then they share the money equally. So then we're going to divide. If they share equally, we're going to divide it by 2 people. So we have 2 steps. How much money does each girl get? So we're going to start off with $3.20. So I'm going to change it to cents. 320 times 3. So we're going to go back and put the decimal in so I can add the decimal. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. And 3 times 3 is 9. We have $9.60. So the girls, or Jillian and Sammy, made $9.60. Now we're going to take $9.60 and divide by 2. So that was step 1. Step 2, we're going to do 2 will divide into $9.60. So 2 will divide into 9 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract. 9 take away 8 is 1. Bring down the 6. We have 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now we multiply. 2 times 8 is 16. We don't have anything else. We bring down the 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0, and there's nothing left. So it's $4.80 each. Each person, Sammy and Jillian, are each gonna get $4.80. And that's the end of the lesson.